Don't watch this alone, especially if your room is quiet right now. The sound started in an empty building. Click, pause, click, like someone tapping from inside the walls. I found tally marks scratched everywhere, like someone had been counting for years. Then I saw him, a man facing the wall, tapping slowly. He told me to check the second tank. Inside, there was a body, fingers destroyed, like it had been tapping non-stop. Now, the marks are showing up in my own room. And sometimes, I wake up with my hand already on the wall. For the full story, go to my channel. Remember, nothing in this world has power without a like, subscribe, and share.